Autopsy findings in disseminated vascular coagulation, gross multiple organ failure, hemorrhages and petechiae in various organs, thrombi in small blood vessels, microscopy, microthrombi in capillaries and small arteries, fibrin deposit in organs, necrosis and inflammation in affected organs. The biochemical markers of disseminated intravascular coagulation, prolonged PT, APTT, low platelet count, elevated fibrin degradation product, decreased fibrinogen, and pathological features of maternal death from a HELLP syndrome, that is hemolysis, elevated liver enzyme, low platelet syndrome is a life-threatening complication of preeclampsia. Autopsy finding gross hepatic hemorrhage and necrosis, thrombi in liver and kidney vessels, microscopy, hepatic fibrin deposit, thrombi in renal vessels, acute tubular necrosis, and renal vessels, hepatic. Thank you.